What's up, guys? 2020 Honda Odyssey. We changed the engine air filter. Customer went and got this online. He took off the part number there, but buy yourself a filter. So this is what this baby look like, and we're gonna change this. Okay, so very simple and easy. Let me just get this out of the packaging here. And so this is the bottom side and this is the top side, and it does have like a difference on one side than the other side. This side it has this slot. So let's see so pretty much what you want to do here is to remove this filter and replace this filter. It's very simple and easy. Okay, take your finger, you pull back on this tab, and there might be one more. Let me see back here. Okay, there's one more right back over here. Okay, there you go. That should release this, and we should be able to. There might be one more back there or something, or maybe there's like a letter slots. Okay, it's a letter slots. So this is how I took out the filter. So this letter notch here was on this side. So we're gonna take the filter the same way. If you want to look inside and there's leaves and stuff, you can vacuum it, but be careful. I have cases where this sensor caught dirt, and then the car wants to kind of not work normal. So again, the notches in the back came out. There's like a little teeth in the back, so you're gonna have to push them back in. And then all you do is you lift it back on this tab, lift back on this tab, and lift back on the tab. And this is done, okay? It took me no more than 30 seconds to do this, and this is what this baby looked like. Every 15,000 I'll change this. And we're gonna do a video on the cabin filter. We got a cabin filter inside there. The airflow, it does have an airflow symbol, so we'll go by that. So let's go back into the vehicle for the next video. But this video, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like, and give it a thumbs up. Very short and simple video. I'm gonna take out my gloves for the inside video.